Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from Massage Chair Relief, and today is our bi-weekly massage chair industry update for Monday, August 15th, 2022. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you're having a great summer. Summer is typically a slower time for massage chairs. Typically, during COVID, it was busy all year round because people weren't leaving their homes to go to massage therapists and physical therapists and chiropractors for their manual therapy, and they were getting massage chairs instead. Well, we've kind of gone back to the pre-COVID days, as is evidenced just by society in general. You know, no masks. You can even go on an airplane now without a mask, and of course, you can go to massage therapists and chiropractors and physical therapists without concern, as there was before. So it's typically slower in the summertime, and of course that is reflected in the number of sales. And of course, when I say sales, I mean the number of sales that we see of people buying chairs, but also sales in the number of the sales that are out there that we to try to push chairs during the slow months. So right now, the Osaki Admiral and the Osaki First Class are on sale. They also come with the 2-year extended parts and labor warranty. The Master Drive AI from Ogawa is on sale. And there's others. I won't go through them all because I can't remember them all. But if you go to our website and click under the promotions tab on our navigation bar, you can see the new chair sales or new chair specials, and you click on that and it'll tell you everything that's going on. And those sales include discounts and prices. Also includes add-ons, like if it's free white glove delivery or free extended warranty or whatever. Excuse me. I've just gotten over I'm not even over yet, 2.5 weeks of a bad cough, and I get that usually about once a year, and excuse me if I sound like I'm going to start coughing, because I am going to start coughing. Anyways, also, I might also want to tell you, or also mention to you, that the new Kai GTS 9 chair is back ordered until September 20th. On both colors. That chair is new, and I've talked to you about it before. It has the audio or sonic waves that come out of the bottom 2 rollers and out of the foot rollers. And people have that chair has been very, very well received by the buyers. The only drawback to it is that it takes a long time to assemble it. And because of that, Furniture for Life is not offering white glove delivery. So if you want the GTS 9 from Kai, or the Kai GTS 9 from a company called Hugh-Tech, which is now being distributed by Furniture for Life in America, you'll have to set it up yourself. And it's not easy. They've had some issues with, it's not a simple chair to assemble, let me put it to you that way. And that will take a little time, and I think they're working on getting videos out and more explicit instructions on how to put the chair together. We have one in each of our showrooms. Well, we have the GTS 7 in the Northern California showroom, but in the Arizona, Southern California, and Utah showrooms, we have the GTS 9, and it took some time for the guys to assemble the chairs. And so just be aware of that, but it's been a very well received chair in terms of the feature set and the way that people like it. So anyways, that's the chair. That is, the components are built in China, but the vast majority of the components are built in China, but then the chair is exported to Korea, where it's assembled, tested, and programmed, and the sonic wave component is implemented, and that is done in Korea, and that's why this is considered a made in Korea chair. So anyways, a new chair in the business and in the industry with a unique thing, and that is the sonic waves. Check it out. And I haven't experienced it too much yet, but one of my salespeople at the Southern California store, said that it actually has a depth control for the calves and the foot rollers, which we've never seen before. So, but I've yet to experience that myself, but that is what the report is from one of my stores. All right, we also have lots of returns right now, and I've never seen anything like it. I may have mentioned this before, but boy, oh boy, we've had like 15 returns in the last 2 months, and that's very unusual. Typically, we'll see, anywhere from 3 to 7% return rate. But this return rate is very, very high. And I'm not exactly sure what it is, if it's because of people spending money. And then, of course, we have a 90-day return policy, which is the longest in the business. And people maybe are thinking, oh, maybe with the inflation, maybe with who knows what, that they're maybe afraid to, they want to get back some of that committed cash. And of course, we offer free returns for the 90 days, as long as we get it back by the 90th day. But anyways, it's an interesting market out there right now. But with these increased returns, we sell more pre-owned chairs, but we have more available, and we have lots of great discounts and good deals. So go on our website again, go to the specials tab, and click on the pre-owned directory. And when you click on the pre-owned directory under promotions, you're going to see the chairs we have. I think we have like 7 up there now, and I believe we have a couple other ones that we still need to add, recent ones that have come in. So anyways, there's some great deals. We sell them at a very, very good price, because I don't like keeping inventory of pre-owned chairs, because that costs me money. So, excuse me. So if you're looking for a great deal on a premium high-end chair, check out our pre-owned chairs under the promotions tab on our navigation bar on our website. Those chairs are not returnable, the pre-owned ones, and but they do come with the lifetime labor warranty, the remainder of the factory warranty, and free shipping. Not white glove, not in-home delivery, but free curbside delivery. So check it out. Those are good things to know. All right, and then speaking of pre-owned, I get a lot of calls from people that ask about my opinion on a particular chair, and in the course of our discussion, I find out that they're looking at a pre-owned or a refurbished chair that they want to buy from someone online, and that's okay, because the used chair market online is strong, and you can go to Facebook Marketplace or what's the other one? I can't remember. There's another one too, but. You can find pre-owned chair deals and good deals out there, but I always tell these people, I'm going to tell you, beware that there's not going to be a warranty on it. You have no idea what the condition of the chair is, unless it's coming from an authorized dealer, or they're sending you good close-up pictures, because some chairs will have an immense amount of cat hair, dog hair, or junk that's stuck down in the sides, or in the linens and the feet, in the linen and the feet, and these are things that over time can break down the linen and the material, and so when you get that chair, you might find that it's in terrible condition. So be aware of that, and hopefully the chair will never break down, but if it does, you're going to be on the hook for parts and labor. Now, some companies will put you on a lower portion of the totem pole if you buy a chair from someone else and you're not the original buyer of it. And the reason I know that is because we experienced that with one company. They will if someone calls, like these massage chair companies get calls all day long from their regular customer, the buying customers who have problems with their chair, and they're trying to take care of them. And then when they get calls from people who have pre-owned chairs that they bought online or whatever, it gets increasingly difficult to get a quicker response to a problem. So these are things that I want you to be aware of when you're looking at buying a pre-owned chair. Now, if you're getting a factory certified, as some people call it, factory certified, or a certified pre-owned chair from one of the massage chair distributors, that's a different story. They probably are going to include some warranty with that, and I don't know how much it'll be. It might only be 60 days, might be 90 days, might be 1 month, but make sure you're very, very aware of what the warranty support or the warranty conditions are for any chair that you buy. Pre-owned or new. You want to know what kind of coverage you're going to get. Some of the no-name brand chairs that are out there, when I say no-name brand, I mean like off-brand names, like chairs that just show up online and they don't really have a distributor network. Somebody's just selling chairs through Facebook or through Instagram. Be wary of the kind of support you'll get from those companies. The chairs are typically cheaper, which is good, but the support is typically poor to non-existent. Parts are probably, in most cases, scarce to non-existent. Not to say that brand name chairs don't have inventory issues with parts. They do from time to time, but 99% of the time or 95% of the time they're going to have the parts you need and in stock, or if they don't, they're going to get it within the next few weeks. But there's some companies where you will not be able to get parts, period. period. And it's very difficult. I won't say the brand, but I've got an old chair that's sitting in my showroom. It's been there for, I think, 3 or 4 years. A lady, one of the kids was jumping on the ottoman and broke the foot roller, so we're waiting for a replacement ottoman. But the chair was discontinued, but they ordered a part for the chair, and this was 3 years ago. No sign of a part coming from China, and the chair just sits there, and I don't know what to do with it. They want to keep waiting. So just be aware that parts can be a real pain in the rumpus, especially if it's a no-name brand or off-brand chair, and especially if it's the cheaper chairs, because it's all about dollars and cents, isn't it? If you buy an expensive chair, and they have great customer support, great parts availability, they are on the ball and taking care of their customers, and they've got the vested interest in making sure that the chairs are continually tweaked to get better and better, then you're willing to pay for that, aren't you? You can get a 1999 chair, great deal, from a smaller, lesser known factory, but you're going to, if, and heaven forbid anything goes wrong with the chair, but if it does, you could run into a whole bunch of problems, but they don't have the profit margin to take care of the repairs. Like, for example, a typical repair probably costs, and we have a lifetime labor warranty, as you may or may not know, so we pay for the service call for as long as you own the chair after the factory warranty is over. And I would say the average price for a service call is about $250, $285. And then if they come back a second time, you pay, another $140 or whatever it is. And then you got to get parts. So if you're out of parts warranty and you're out of labor warranty, or if you have no warranty at all, you're going to be paying. It could be $500 for it's going to cost about $500 to repair something. And if the company sells cheap chairs and with just enough profit margin for them to make it worth their while to hawk these on the internet, you may not. They don't have the money to repair the chair. They will not have the money, and if they do, I don't know, but I've just heard nightmarish stories. So just be careful. The greatest thing of all is to get a chair and it has no problems. And there's no guarantee on that with cheap or expensive chairs. It's a kind of a crapshoot. But if you do have a breakdown, you want to make sure you're on. You're in a good with a good company and a good place to get that chair fixed. Anyways, I guess that's about it for this week. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this or any of our other videos on your various and sundry social media platforms. We appreciate you helping us spread the word. Well, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and I will see you again in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.